Whoa.
Oh, blimey. Look at a barbecue bite.
I can hear a chainsaw. Wow, we're at the Howl. Wow.
This is weird.
Wow. Wow.
Be here.
Oh God, look at Sean Evans from Lift Hills and Thrills. My God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Look, Sean's got this room with bands, cool bands, VIP, drinks.
Whole room to us.
Wow. We're now going to go look at mazes. And we can film in mazes because of this guy. We can. Let's go and look at Howl. Wow. Time for the new maze of this year. Howl of Valley High. Let's go. And with our bands, we get to go on the nice fast track queue because of this guy. Lift Hills and Thrills, everybody. Go subscribe. Woo!
Yes! Yeah!
Got a nice start then. There's musical posters, Pandemonium. That big this. Oh. Oh my God, we've just done Howl Valley High School, whatever it's called. That was incredible. Like, there were so many actors in there. And one reason I love the attic is because of all the different hide holes for the actors to run through. And that had hundreds of them, and that was incredible. What do we think? Brilliant. Loved it.
I've got anxiety. Lots and lots of things. I don't trust anybody.
Do you know, that was literally Amity and Like a Thought, but the maze.
But, like, that's what Thought should do.
That's what Thought
should do. Put him in it.
Yes.
Like that.
That would be incredible, but honestly, fantastic. So we're about to step into our second maze of the night, Attic. But it's not the Terror of the Towers, it's the other Attic. Let's go. Thanks, Sean, for opening it. Oh, that was someone there. Already? My God. Oh, Jesus Christ. So as we can see, Sean is now going up to the attic. We've actually got Sean is going up to Oh! Can't see anything. So we just came out of the attic, not Terror of the Towers. It was okay. I don't think I've ever jumped that far in a maze before, and I really enjoyed it.
I can't even replicate it. I can't even do it. I can't even move.
It was a big scare, wasn't it? It was a good scare.
You went so far back. You nearly passed through me and out the other side.
But one thing I can tell about that maze is it's been recently painted because I've got wet paint on my hand. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna continue round. Oh, there's a fire show. Let's have a look at it. Sorry for Fred now. Let's go see what this one's like. Yeah, let's go. We've heard that this is like the weaker one out of them all, so let's go. Oh, we're gonna go in now. Let's go. Ooh. It's really atmospheric around there. Oh, hello. Oh, God. Someone came out of nowhere then. Ooh. Reminds me very much, this beginning bit, of I'm a Celebrity. Oh, hello. Very much of I'm a Celebrity at Thorpe Park, the old, like... Oh, oh, there's a tree on the floor. Oh, God. Oh. Yeah, let's go in the house. Ooh.
Where is she? Where's my little red riding hood, eh? I know you know where she is.
Apparently I know where she is, guys. Just thought, look how cool this is.
You can swim! Because it's the only way out of these woods.
Oh! 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 Jesus Christ! Oh! My God! Oh! Let's go in here. Oh God! Oh! There we go. That's the exit. There we are. We've just done Red, and it was literally the story of Red Riding Hood, basically, but in like a horror maze form. It's really cool. Not that many actors. It was not that scary, really, but the theming was incredible. There was literally a massive house in there, which was cool. We walked through, and there was like a wolf coming through the walls, which was cool. But I think we're going to do... Are we doing Top with Twister next? This one. It's the clown maze. Yeah, so let's go to the clown maze.
Keep going! No! I'm not going to tell you what the clown maze is, to be honest, but... Take out yourself, Mama!
Oh, the really thought-sleeping time.
Topper says you're next!
Ooh, I'm next, apparently. Oh.
Topper's gonna get you! And Topper's gonna kill you! And Topper's knees and toes, what does Topper get? Nobody knows! Get! Not on my bottom anymore! Oh no!
Oh no, someone's taking his tail.
Oh, he's back again!
You got recognised, mate. You got recognised. So we just done that Halloween like freak show one. It was okay. Enjoyed that. It was alright, to be honest. I quite enjoyed it, and there was not much that theming and etc. But there was a lot of like clowns going around. There's not that many scares. I'd say that is the weakest one. I'd say that and Red are kind of the weakest ones. I enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. But I think we're heading to the next one. I think we're going to do Squeaker's Yard or the Shed. These are fun.
Yes!
Yes! Outdoorsy time. Ooh. So we've just done the Shed. I really enjoyed that. That was quite good. It was literally like a shed full of hillbillies and weirdos and etc. Quite enjoyed that. That was quite good, wasn't it, Sean?
It was good.
You can't even see us.
Can't even see us.
Yeah, but yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Interesting, very interesting.
But
I love the unique places where they jump out. Like,
yeah.
It doesn't matter if you're at the front, middle or back.
Yeah.
They'll find a way to
everywhere
get
in the group was getting the scares, which was good. Yeah. But yeah, right, we're going to go do Squealer's Yard, which is our final maze to do, and then we've done them all, and then we'll just have a vibe around the area and etc. We've still got Circus of Horrors to see tonight, but yeah, let's head into Squealer's Yard.
Fresh meat for the yard.
Oh my God, whoa.
Where did they come from?
Ah! Jesus Christ!
Well, look here.
Oh, y'all looking so good.
Stove room, my God. Jesus, oh my God. Can't see anything. Jesus Louise. I can hear a chainsaw. I think a chainsaw. Chainsaw. So we've just come out of Squealer's Yard. Really enjoyed that. I thought that was a fantastic maze, and there were so many good jump scares and etc. It felt very much like Creep Massacre at Thorpe Park, but like a pig themed. But yeah, it was quite good. It was quite good, weren't it? Yeah. And Bez, we met back up with Bez. He's having a nice time up here. Oh look, Mr. Evans is back as well. What did you think to Squealer's Yard?
Our gracious host.
What did I think of it?
Yes.
Thought it was very squealy, y'all.
There we go.
Squealy.
But yeah, no, we're going to continue around. We're going to get some food in a bit. And yeah, we're having a great night here at the Howl. So as Sean Evans tries the chip.
It's a wonderful chip, Jake. It's a wonderful chip.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, get in on that chicken.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, blimey. look at a barbecue bite.
Ooh, some barbecue.
Well, that's actually really nice.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got like barbecue chicken bites with some chips. Circus of Horror time. Let's go. Woo-hoo. We've had a very good time here at the Howl here. Oh, it's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Honestly, the best one was the Howl, like Amity High one. Very good. But thanks to Joe for the hospitality, absolutely fantastic. Food, drinks all night, great. And we had our lovely area. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Woo!